Hello everyone. My name is Nels, the solo parent and traditional Filipina. Today I will discuss about from humble beginnings to global success of about a Jollibee story. The story of Jollibee is a compelling tale of entrepreneurship, resilience, and a commitment to delivering chewy, true, delicious food. What started as a modest ice cream parlor in the Philippines has evolved into one of the world's most beloved fast food chains. The Jollibee franchise is not a just culinary phenomenon but a cultural icon that has captured the hearts and the taste buds of millions globally. This overview delves into the rich history of the Jollibee franchise, exploring its origin, growth, and the factors that have contributed to its remarkable success. The Jollibee story begins in 1975 in the city of Manila, Philippines, with Tony Tan Kakchong and his family. Tony, along with his siblings and a dedicated team, opened an ice cream parlor called Jollibee. Inspired by the family's name and the words Jolly and Bee, the venture initially focused on selling hot meals and sandwiches alongside the ice cream, recognizing the popularity of the hot meals, particularly the Filipino-style spaghetti. Tony Tan made a strategic decision to pivot Jollibee into a fast food restaurant. This marked the birth of Jollibee as a brand, and its first official store opened its doors on January 28, 1978 in Quezon City. The early years were not without challenges for Jollibee. It entered a market dominated by well-established international fast food chains. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.